Hey, this is Becky at Stone Glacier. I just killed a whitetail and I'm going to pack my first animal out in this Stone Glacier pack. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by taking the load lifters off your straps, like that, and then we're going to unhook all of the compression straps, top 4 in the bag, and then we're just going to loosen these up here, keep them attached. And then we're going to reach under here and we're going to loosen this tension lock here so that the bag comes free, both sides. Pull off the bag and this way. We're going to lay this flat, butterfly it out so you can access your load shed. Right here. This looks like it's already out. Don't have to do much. Load cell. Oh my gosh, heavy. That in here. This. Tighten it down. How am I doing?
Great.
Look good?
Uh-huh.
All right. And then we're going to bring the bag back up over here.
How about your head?
Oh, my head. Great. This way.
There you go.
Just right there. Then your bag comes over the top. And we start by attaching these compression straps loosely to the buckle. This is so much fun doing it in real life. Okay, we start tightening it down.
What about the top of the bag?
Oh, the top, that's right. So this goes across here, around the horns.
So that's top of the frame to your old load lifter.
Correct.
We'll get those good and tight.
Okay.
What's your last step there?
Tighten these up just a little bit, and then you have to reattach your shoulder straps. Ta-da!
Good job, Becky. Great deer.
Thank you.
Ready to go.
Ready to go.
Let's see you pony that thing up.
Is it tight enough?
You got it.
All right.
Yeah, girl.
Okay.
Nice.
Oh. All right.
Give a turn there. Very cool, Becky. Congrats on your deer.
Thank you.
Doing work. Bear attack! Oh, it's a bear!